my name is Osman TV, and today I'm going to teach you how you can get the bokeh or blur background effect on any device. So it's pretty simple. It works only on Android right now because the patch is only released by Google. So what you want to do is head on to the AppMirror website. Over there you search like Google camera and pixel cameras will be appearing. So if you have a latest device like the Galaxy S9, then you should select an older version. If you have like some other kind of phone, you can select the latest version. So once you do it, you open the app. You can just go on the top and select portrait mode or lens blur, and you can start taking photos. And here are some examples of photos that you will see right now, and they are like so amazing, to be honest. So this is how you can do the lens blur mode over the bokeh effect. So give this channel support with subscribing my channel, give a like to this video. It would be nice if we can hit 1,000 subscribers, and you sure to give that support. See you tomorrow. Peace.